To find specific items on Vestiaire Collective, start by opening a web browser and typing in the website's address. Upon arriving at the site, you'll see a search bar, the Vestiaire Collective logo, and options to sign in or sign up. If you don't have an account, click on the Sign Up option to create one. Otherwise, select Sign In and enter your email and password to access your account. Once logged in, you'll see various options, including the ability to sell an item, view your profile, favorites, notifications, and shopping bag. The website also features categories such as new arrivals, designers, women, men, children, bags, jewelry, vintage, and sale items to search for specific items. Use the search bar, and from there, you can apply filters to narrow down your search. The filters include department, designers, color, condition, size, shipping location, price range, materials, and more. By using these filters, you can easily find the products you're looking for on Vestiaire Collective.